Yeah, you go type in code.org. And because I've already used it before, it already has it registered. If you want to do the whole thing, you put https://code.org, and it'll come up with the same thing. Then it'll come to this page. You go on the top here, and it says sign in. So you click sign in, and you either use this one. So you go into your account, you put in your account here, your username or Gmail that your parent has, and you put your password. And you should have your thing like this. Is that all I needed to do?
Yeah, that's right. So if you go back a bit to your dashboard, please.
What, this?
No, click on my dashboard, please.
Oh, okay.
Okay, scroll down. Okay, all right. You're going to see, can you see App Development Unit 4, CSP Unit 4? That's what we're going to do. If you click on that Unit 4, please. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now, from variables to that. So I'm going to be, you're going to see all this one. So
can you go back, because I didn't get to see the code.
Also, this is the code here.
Wait, just leave it until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay, Demi, you raised your hand. Any question?
Wait, I didn't get to finish it.
Sorry.
I just want to say.
Oh yeah, I'm done. Thank you.
My laptop won't let me speak, so I'm watching from my laptop and then talking from my phone. Is that okay?
That's fine. That's okay.
Okay, that's why there's two of me in the.
Okay, I'll remember so that I can put you in one room, basically. So,
okay. No.
All right, cool. So okay. All right. So there's not much to be done on this particular lesson one. Okay. So if you go to the next one, please. No, as in go to continue and click on next on lesson one first. Okay. So
this one.
Yes, please. Yeah. So because this is only going to show you different apps that you can build, because at the end of this course, I'm expecting you to build cool apps. So it's going to tell you different things that you can build. So you can click on run on that one and just navigate through the app so you can see. Yeah. So you can see it's just calculating number of clicks and everything. So, okay, can you click on the next one? Click on finish, please. Okay. So the next one, as you can see, this is another app as well. So mini poem maker. Okay. If you run it, you can actually make a poem from. Okay. All right, cool. So let's finish that. Okay. So that's one app that you could do. The next one which is very cool app. Most of us will have seen this actually, which is basically like a thermostat app, which got name and password. So this is one. So if you click on login, yeah. So that is one of them. So if you click on the next one, okay. So yeah. So basically, this is another question that you might need to answer. What will the value of score be at the end of this program? Does anyone want to help quickly? Any guess? Okay, Lasisi.
Would it be the score is 4?
Okay. Does anyone agree?
Yeah. I agree.
Okay. All right. Any who disagrees with that? Any? Okay. Yeah, sure. The score is good. So which one is going to be the one? Is it the one that Ania clicked on, or the score?
The score is 4.
Okay, good. Thank you. So, all right, brilliant. So, all right, that is basically like kind of introduction. So let's go to lesson 2 now. So we're going to kind of do some app here. Okay, so we need to listen carefully.
I didn't understand what you did in the check for understanding.
Okay, if you go back, please.
Here.
Yeah.
So the first one you have is variable score, that score. So then score is equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
Then score is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4.
Yeah.
So then you now have the score is equal to plus score. So basically it's going to say the score is equal to, what is the value of score, which is 4. That's why you have that one. Yeah, the score is 4.
Yes. Thank you.
No worries. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one, please. So yeah. So now we're going to now look at variables now. Okay, how we are going to use variable. So this is one cool app that you can use to actually increase your thermostat in your house or decrease it whenever they want to. So basically, yeah, when you click on the blue, it goes down. When you click on the red, it goes up, basically. So we're going to
Thermostat.
Okay, what's a thermostat? Can someone please help us? What is a thermostat?
A thermostat is like a device that controls the heat of something. So if you have a thermostat in your house, it controls the heat of a certain room or rooms.
Thank you. Yeah, so it's actually controls the heating in your room, basically, or in the whole house. So yeah, thank you. Okay, so now we need to now look at the instruction, right? And try to now come out with the solution, right? To actually solve this, basically. So
it says, make a watcher for the temp variable and run the code. This will help you track the value of its variable as it changes. Run the program at least once, then with a partner, choose one of 2 code sections below. Section 1, lines to 1 to 12, and then section 2, amount of lines to 40 and 21. Read the code in your section carefully. Make sure you understand how each line works. Discuss. Find the group that, no, this after we do it. So now it says that we should make.
So before you start, okay. So I need some volunteers, okay, that with Anel that can actually help do this together as a group, okay. I need more people. Let's say 5 or 6. That's fine.
Yeah.
Grace, you can unmute yourself. Ayomide, you can also join in. I need more people. Guys, come on.
Dickon, what's wrong, Aisky?
Okay, Shibudom. Okay, that's good. Gabriel. Okay, guys. Okay, all right. Let's start this. Okay?
Gabrielle.
Gabriel, thank you. You always correct me. Thank you, Gabriel. Sorry, I'm used to Gabriel. Sorry, apologies, Gabriel.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. All right, cool. Let's go. Okay.
So we have to make a temp variable and run the code. So it says create and assign these variables. So this variable is temperature and it says 70. And then it says temperature Fahrenheit, which is temperature F, which is something.
Nothing here.
Pardon?
Oh, sorry, my brother just came into the room. Sorry.
Okay. So we need to make a button to decrease the temperature by 1 degrees. Oh no, this is the button to decrease the temperature by 1 degrees, and this is the one that increases. So right now, when we run it, it's normal. But we need to make. Let me just ask a question quick. What's a watcher? What do you think a watcher is?
I think this it'll just like control it will just control like the variable and see how like I think it will see like how something that will like just see if it's like a reasonable temperature or something. I'm not really sure.
I know what it is.
A watcher is.
I know what it is. A watcher is a debugging tool that its name implies watches your variables while the program runs, and it makes
Okay.
it easier to see what you're doing.
That's good. That's brilliant, actually. To be honest, I am really impressed. So that means that you've learned a lot, some coding, isn't it? I don't know who actually spoke now. What's your name, please?
Jory.
Joe. Okay. Oh, Jare.
Yeah, Jory.
Okay. All right. Cool. So that's good. So that is Watcher, right? So it's basically like a debugging, actually, right? So something like when you do console log, right? So you do, like, as you can see, there's a watcher there, right? Yeah, at your left-hand side.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
So you can actually click on the plus and make your variable to be there, so you actually know what goes in. So thank you so much, Jare, for that. That is, yeah. So
We
okay.
have to watch. I think. Sorry.
Yeah. So it's good to read the instruction. Okay. In everything, instruction is very important for you to read and to carry along with the instructions. So let's read it carefully so we understand what we need to do.
Says so we have to make a watcher for the temp value.
Excuse me,
Yes.
please. It's mine. It's only showing instructions. It isn't giving me the code.
I think, are you on number 2 or number 3? Look at your top.
Number 2.
Then you have to go to number 3.
Oh, okay.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So we have to make a watcher for the temp variable. So this should be the temp variable. So you have to make a watcher for it. So what do you think we should do?
We should call it Temp Watcher.
In fact, I think we just need to. I think we need to go to and put one of the variables inside the watcher.
So we drag this inside here. We can't.
No, we don't drag it inside. We write it inside though.
So we put. Let's just show text. So we write var temp equal.
No, I don't think. No, I think we just put the name of the variable, but I'm not really sure though because I'm no professional when it comes to watch.
So should we just write temp?
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, just write the name of the. Yeah.
Temp undefined.
just do var space temp.
Yeah, I think we need to
I
write.
think you need to write the variable.
Yeah, I think we need to write the variable code out.
Temp watcher.
What do we write?
Temp watcher. It's quite simple.
But it says
No, I think we need to write.
it says undefined because you have to. It has to be a variable in this code.
Yeah.
And-
I think we just write variable. So maybe variable temp equals 70.
var temp equals.
Only need to do var temp since it equals 70 already, and that's when you assign it.
Okay.
To define a value is to maybe we should make it temp f and see what happens.
Did you say var temp equal to 80?
No, I put 70.
80.
Or if we put semicolon, maybe that does something. I'm not really sure.
I'm putting equal to 80 on my computer.
I think you shouldn't put the equal 70.
Maybe you just put var temp.
Yeah.
No, it says undefined. I think.
Maybe put the
If you
temp.
look on, sorry,
So maybe you need to put temp f instead.
I think we should look at the code itself because this says on event. It says the ID and the type, so it executes the callback code. So
Yeah.
this,
Yeah, but I don't think that's gonna do the watcher bit. I think we
no,
need to
I'm saying this is what declares the variable. This says what the variable is. So
Okay.
I think we
Okay,
should,
guys. Okay, guys. You just need to. I think you're on the right track. Okay. You just need to put the variable in there and
Yeah.
watch it as it goes along. Okay.
So we just put 70.
Name of the variable.
So we just put var is equal to 70.
So for instance, say make a watcher for the temp. Okay,
So we just
and
put
run
temp
the code.
equals 70.
So it's only temp. It's only temp, okay? Because that is the name of the variable, okay? And then run the code, okay?
I think you might have to see it on like.
Oh, you can't put any spaces. Otherwise, it probably won't work.
No, you need to click on the plus, okay?
You need to just type the variable.
To add it. Can you click on the plus, please?
Where?
On that plus after the temp, yeah. Okay, then run the code.
It says it's undefined.
It's undefined, which means it
See?
won't.
Oh no, it's when you run the code, it defines it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it does watch it. So when this changes, it watches it and it knows that it changes. And then if you're coding that, you can use it to make something else happen when it goes to a certain number. Do more with that. So we go on to the next one then.
Okay, cool.
Huh?
Yeah, I think I know. It said that you have to do something.
It says, make a watch out for the temp variable and run this code. This will track the value of the variable as it changes.
It
Run
said
this
that
program
you
and-
should. It said that you should make it when you press the up button. That you should make it go 2 degrees, 2 Fahrenheit higher.
Huh? Say that again.
It said that you should change the code so that when you press the up or down button, it either goes 2 Fahrenheit. Right now, temperatures change by 1 degree when the buttons are clicked. Modify the code so the temperature changes by 2 degrees when the buttons are clicked.
Actually, guys,
Where does it say that?
At
In
the bottom
modify.
where it says
Go
modify.
down. In modify. Go in the
modify section.
instructions.
in the instructions, it will
Instructions. Down.
Oh,
say
here.
Yeah.
by 1 degree when the buttons are clicked. Modify the code so the temperature
Guys, I'm not saying
Guys, he's right. He's right because I just tried it and it worked.
Yeah.
excuse me.
You just
Yeah, so just change those 2 into 2
yeah,
and it'll work.
into
'Cause we
2.
I just tried it and it worked.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Mind do
I'm
you
not
change
saying-
again?
I'm not saying that you're wrong about anything because I know that's right, but you know, in fact, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Okay, all right.
What do you mean,
So
though?
I've got some people raising their hands right now. So Oladile Daramola, okay, you raised your hand. Any question or do you want to join in discussion?
What I did was I put temp -2, but it's saying that doesn't work.
Okay, because I think there are 2 places that you need to do, right? Okay, you need to do the addition and
You need to
the
do addition and subtraction.
subtraction. Thank you. So
Okay. What
okay,
I did, I put temp -2, but it's saying that doesn't work.
okay. You also need to do the 10+2 as well, right? Right. Okay. You need to do.
Are you there?
Okay. Let's continue, please.
So it says run the app. Make watches for temp F and temp C, temp display and temp display C. So it's temp display F and temp display C variables, and then run the code.
Wait, this is in Fahrenheit and Celsius now. Okay.
So I think we just have to do temp free. And when we put temp F, the first one, temp F.
It has to be exactly by the name and don't put any spaces where there aren't supposed to be even after, otherwise it won't work.
So if we just did this and run it, it would just change it.
Yes, it's working.
It's not moving though.
Wait,
Not me.
please run that again.
Because you have to add numbers. Because you see, it says temp F plus F. I think you have to press make it 1.
What?
I think there's
It says delete the space in between the
quotation marks.
We have to make.
F in line 4.
I think I understand.
So you need to delete the
Guys,
space.
guys, one after the other, and you need to read the instruction. This is very, very important, actually. For you to read the instruction in programming, instruction is very, very important. It's like you are doing your exams. Maybe those guys that are doing 11+, you need to read the instruction. Okay, that's where you know what to do. So in this one now, what is the instruction? What do we need to do?
We need to delete the space in the quotation marks.
Okay,
and do what it shows you.
I think I know what to do.
I think I know too. You see where it says plus quotation mark?
Also, that GIF, I think we need to do what the GIF does.
So it's to take, it says here, delete the space in between the quotation marks and delete letter F in the 4th line. And it says, how does this change what is displayed on screen? So we have to delete this.
Okay. Okay. All right.
It only
Again,
said
you are still not following the instruction. Okay.
line 4. It said only
Exactly. I am making. Thank you. You say line 4. Can you undo what you've done? Control Z, please. Just say Control Z.
everything you need to do is subtract the.
Okay. All right. So you need line 4. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Do it for the same for C, and then go up to line 4.
No, wait, the instructions only said for F, not for C.
Subtract the whole F completely.
It's only for F, not for C.
Now talk about what's happening in line 3.
It asks what is happening. We need, but in modify, we need to change line 4. it doesn't. I don't think it works at all because we need a space.
So guys, what did you think happened?
It just put the F and the 70 together.
Exactly.
Wait, so what do we have to do?
Oh, yeah, I understand. Because if there's no space,
I don't get what you have to do in this.
I'm confused.
I don't get what you guys did.
Yeah, because you did it so quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. Anel, can you go to line 4 again? So and show what you've done.
So when we went, it says here, so to delete the space in between the quotation marks on line in F on line 4. So before it was looking like this, no space here. So we went here, we deleted the F. So now when we run this, the code, and when it goes through the whole code slowly, the yellow is going through the whole code. Doing that, it identifies that there's no space there, and it puts together the F. And then it carries on the code.
Okay, all right. Guys, another question that you have in there is, how do you think math.rand works? So that's a question that you've not answered, guys.
Can I see where it says math.round firstly?
Okay, let's see where.
It says it here.
I have an idea.
So go to docs, it says it here.
Okay, I have an idea of what it means. You know when you do rounding in maths, like round to the nearest 10, 100?
Yeah.
That sort of thing. It's going to round that. So what this exactly means is round temp F minus 32 times 5/9. I'm not really sure if it's correct.
So I think it's gonna round temp C, and then it's gonna do temp F, take away 32, and then it's gonna give you a new F.
Because I think temp F minus 32 times
5/9.
We need to
guys.
round.
Okay, guys, it seems only a few guys are talking, okay? So I'm going to lower everyone's hand. So I need new guys to talk, okay? Who know what's rounding, how rounding work, basically?
I know how rounding works because I'm studying it right now. Well,
okay.
So rounding basically
Gabriel,
yeah.
Can you raise your hand next time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Can you, okay, continue.
Rounding is basically a number being close to another number, like 36 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40.
Exactly, okay. So this will be rounded into the nearest whole number, okay? I know most of us will have done it in our mathematics, isn't it? So that is what it's going to. It's going to calculate the temp F, take away 32, then multiply it by 5/9. And it's possible you might get decimal places right. So then it's going to round it up into whole number. Yeah.
Is it rounded to the nearest whole number, also known as rounded to the nearest integer?
I think both of them are the same thing, right? Integer and whole number.
I think so.
Yeah. In mathematics, you will call it whole number. In computer, you call it integer.
But it's when you get into like secondary school, they start telling you to call it integer.
Exactly.
In maths, even since year 4 home learning, like in a video, it kept calling it integer, so I kind of know what it means.
Yeah. It's they are the same basically, right? Okay. All right. Cool. That's good. Let's go back to the instruction. So there's another question there as well, isn't it? So what you need to do?
How do you think math round works? So it says try deleting math round in lines 3, 15, and 28. What happens? And then add it back in. So line
I know, guys, I know what to do. Instead of just cancelling it out, like typing it out and then writing it back in again.
Save it and take it out.
No, you can just delete it, then press Control Z and it will appear back.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, okay.
So I did it for that one, number 15 and 28.
I've done that. The 21 just changes. The 21 it changes to 21.11111.
Okay, that's brilliant.
And the one
so you need to reset. You need to reset every time you change the code.
my
Okay.
God.
Yeah.
One. So the math.round just rounded it to the nearest whole number, but the actual
Yeah,
number
rounding it to the
is
nearest
something
number that
20.5.
Okay. Cool. So
Even
now
the
we know what rounding actually does, right?
Yeah, right.
Cool.
Oh my God.
Guys, can you please just scroll up?
I do kind of have a question about one thing in particular.
Guys, can you please scroll up?
I still have a problem.
Excuse me, Uncle, did you?
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to type this thing to you instead.
Okay. All right. So let's continue, please. Okay.
Uncle, it says that we need to remove math round.
Sorry.
It says we need to remove math round in section 3. Yeah. In the instructions, it said, yeah, we should move that.
we did. Now we're on the next one.
Did you want
Okay.
to be
All right, guys. So for this, okay, we are going to break into rooms. Okay. So we're going to break into different rooms now. So and we'll do this one in that particular room. So if that's fine. So so I will quickly ask. I know some guys already know the drill anyway. So, but before you start to raise your hand up, I'm going to lower your hand. So if you want to be the lead in this room, you can raise your hand now. So
I can't raise my hand, but yeah, I want to be lead.
okay.
I would, but I've done it before, so then I'm just going to see if other people will.
Okay. I would. Okay. I'm going to see if you got new guys. Okay. So, all right. So I'm going to mix you with the old guys. So what's going to happen is, okay, Grace and Jare, I'm going to, so you guys are going to, okay. I'll say great, Jare and Ayomiko, actually, Jare and Ayomiko. So you guys, is it? Okay, Ayomiko did not raise his hand, so, okay, no problem. So, 1 minute, let me just resolve this quickly. Okay, 1 minute.
Hello?
Lo, can you please be muted? 1 minute. I just need to resolve this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So for room 1, Ayomiko, you're going to be the lead in room 1. So, and you're going to be, okay, the lead. Then then as well as Gabriel. Okay. So both of you guys are going to be the lead for that room. For room 2, Anil and Anil and Trinolua. For room 3 is going to be so David and Israel. David and Israel for room 3. So, and you guys can, so I want, so I'm going to start the room now. You got 20 minutes. So to do that. So, sorry, 15 minutes. Okay. Any question before we go?
Yes, I've tried to do something, but you haven't replied yet. I don't think you've seen it.
Oh, sorry, I haven't seen it. I will read it now. Okay. When we come back, remind me, okay? I've seen it when we come back to the class again. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go to the rooms now. Okay, cool.